Morning, fellow delegates and respected staff. Today, the delegations of Portugal we have assembled here to discuss on the financial crisis in Greece. I'm sure that at some point in all your lives, all of you must have shared a room with someone or the other. When this happens, you expect your roommate to maintain their side of the room. But suppose this does not happen. It affects you too because it is, after all, your room. This is exactly what is happening to Greece. After 5 years of bailouts, budget battles, and a battered economy, Greece is on the brink of becoming the first country to leave the Eurozone. Greece's debt woes have been a long-standing problem, but the situation escalated over the European summer. As the country looked likely to default on its loan, the crisis in Greece started because of the turmoil of the Great Recession, structural weakness in the Greek economy, and a sudden crisis in confidence among leaders.
Portugal was also heavily indebted, but our delegation has managed to get back on track after severe austerity measures and cutting spending. There have also been a hike in taxes. Portugal is not completely free of debt yet, but is completely in a better condition than 3 years ago. Similar conditions should be laid down for Greece. The International Monetary Fund and the European Central Bank provided a bailout for Greece with harsh conditions, that is, austerity and tax increase. This angered the Greek public and it did not help much. But research suggests that the economy has shrunk by a quarter in 5 years and unemployment is above 25%, which is one-fourth of the total Greek population.
A survey conducted by the Pro Rata Institute showed 54% of respondents are planning to vote against the deal offered by the creditors. Much of the Greek public wants to stay in the Eurozone and hence started protesting with the slogan "No blackmail and austerity." But this was later put down. If Portugal, Spain, and Ireland could get back on its feet today, then why can't Greece?
UN has taken several austerity measures, that is, 9 austerity packages have been implemented. These again included cutting salaries, pension reforms, and hiking taxes. The third austerity package angered the Greek public immensely. It was met with massive protests the following day, during which 3 people were killed, dozens were injured, and 107 were arrested.
Greece is saying that it would recover more quickly and easily if its debt burden was in some way reduced or its repayment stretched out to the Greek calends, that means postponed forever. But if they do so, then Portugal, Ireland, and Spain will question that why exactly are they persevering with austerity measures and high employment, all in order to remain inside the euro.
Portugal proposes 3 following ways to deal with the situation. Number 1, Greece should remain in the Eurozone while keeping strict austerity measures. Number 2, Greece should be removed from the Eurozone, but since the Greek public want to remain in the Eurozone, it would mean disrespecting their wishes, which would eventually lead to riots. And number 3,
The fiscal and monetary policies should be standardized to prevent this from ever happening again. The delegates of Portugal hope this committee will come to a decision on the current crisis.
Thank you,